Hey there, health enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered about the secret weapon in your spice rack? Let me introduce you to the tiny but mighty clove. Cloves are more than just a holiday spice. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can supercharge your health. From boosting your immunity to improving digestion, cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. But what's the magic behind cloves? One word: eugenol. This powerful compound is known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Feeling a bit under the weather? Clove tea might just be your new best friend. Now let's talk about how to integrate cloves into your daily routine. A pinch of ground cloves in your morning smoothie or a cup of clove tea can do wonders. Experts suggest about 1 to 2 grams of cloves per day. That's roughly 1/4 to half a teaspoon. But remember, balance is key. Too much of anything can be harmful, and cloves are no exception. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. So, next time you're spicing up your meal, don't forget about the humble clove. This tiny spice could be your ticket to better health. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and secrets. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.